Here we want to find all pairs x and y that satisfy these two equations here. So to solve this problem, we look at the second equation and we write 4 to the power of x as 2 to the power of x squared, and 9 to the power of y as 3 to the power of y squared. Also, we assume that a is equal to 2 to the power of x and b is equal to 3 to the power of y. So we rewrite these two equations now in terms of a plus b is 17, and the second equation now is a squared plus b squared is 145. We use the identity that a plus b squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And we use this identity to find product of AB, because here I have a plus b, which is 17 squared, equal to a squared plus b squared is 145 plus 2ab. So from here we find that AB is 72. And the equation now converts into A plus B is 17. AB is 72. To find A and B, one of the way to solve this two system of equation is to write it into a quadratic equation. So here we have t squared minus 17t plus 72 equal to 0. In other words, when you multiply the two roots, it's 72. And when you add them together, it's 17. And based on that, we can write this quadratic equation. So what are the two numbers that you multiply is 72 and you add is minus 17. That is number minus 8 and minus 9. 9 minus 9 times minus 8 is 72, and minus 8 plus minus 9 is minus 17. So t here is 8 or 9. In fact, our A and B are the t that we are trying to find here. So our solution for A and B are A is 8, B is 9, or A is 9 and B is 8. Now, we assume that A is 2 to the power of x and B is 3 to the power of y. So, in this case, 2 to the power of x is 8, or 2 to the power of 3. And x is 3. 3 to the power of y is 9, which is 3 to the power of 2, and y is 2. So that would be one set of solution. The other two sets of solution is for a equal to 9 and b equal to 8. So in this case, 2 to the power of x is 9. We have a log solution. So x is equal to log of base 2 of 9, or 2 log of base 2 of 3. 3 to the power of y is 8. So y is equal to log of base 3 of 8, or 3 log of base 3 of 2. And these two sets of solution will be solution to these two equations.